Hey guys, guess why this dock, this finger pier at this marina is soaking wet? Nope, that's not the bilge pump, that's the air conditioning cooling water. Just to verify that, look up to the bow. There's more cooling water coming out of their guest V-berth. And this is the water coming out of the salon air conditioner. And look way across the marina. You can see that boat's got air conditioning, cooling water coming out also. So one trick that I've noticed on this boat to my right-hand side is they put a little cup underneath that so it will not dribble and leave an ugly stain on the side of the boat. But unfortunately, this floating dock is too close to the air conditioner discharge, so it's just making, I'm going to guess that's about 1/4 of an inch deep water puddle. And of course, I don't want to walk up there and get my shoes wet. So if you've got an air conditioner, you will have cooling water discharge. And just beware where it discharges and try to keep it off of the dock. That way nobody will slip and fall. If you want to learn more about air conditioners, air conditioner systems, ask Captain Chris.